Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with E*Trade Core Portfolios. Review my usage experience. E*Trade Core Portfolios Review My Usage Experience offers automated portfolio management based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. It's designed for investors who want a hands-off approach to investing but still desire some control over their portfolio allocation. Key features include automated rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and access to various asset classes. Their website provides details on specific portfolio options and fees. E*Trade's Core Portfolios positions itself as a convenient and relatively low-cost option for automated investing. The website emphasizes transparency regarding fees, and while specific pricing details depend on the portfolio size, there are no hidden fees or contracts. They utilize algorithms to build and maintain diversified portfolios, offering various levels of risk tolerance. Availability is limited to E*Trade brokerage accounts. To check eligibility, simply visit the E*Trade website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using E*Trade Core Portfolios. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I linked my existing E*Trade account, completed a brief questionnaire about my investment goals and risk tolerance, and selected my desired portfolio. The entire process took less than 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio allocation, performance, and transaction history. I particularly appreciated the easy-to-understand charts and graphs illustrating my progress. The performance has been consistent with my expectations, given the moderate risk portfolio I selected. I had a quick question about tax loss harvesting, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a pretty good response time. I was really impressed by how clearly the fees were laid out. There were no surprises. One minor drawback was the limited customization options. I couldn't manually adjust my allocations within the Core Portfolios section, though I understand that's the point of an automated service. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with E*Trade Core Portfolios. It's a simple, cost-effective solution for those who want a hands-off but reasonably controlled approach to investing. That's my overview of E*Trade Core Portfolios. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.